Kombucha. Stuff's great for your gut health. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this a kombucha SCOBY from this. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. You're watching Smart Spark from deep in the heart of Sather Leone. We keep it real, we keep it simple. You can't help but say, holy shit, shit's amazing. Okay guys, now I've got two SCOBYs here. This one I made with green tea, and this one I made with black tea. This stuff is right from Walmart. It's nothing expensive. I think it was $3 for that box, $2 for that box. Sugar's $2 for the whole bag, maybe. Pretty cheap stuff. The most expensive part was the pickles. I had to buy the pickles for the jar. Now I'm not actually going to make a SCOBY on this round because I've got two of them, but I'm going to walk you through the steps just like I was going to. I mean, it's so simple to make, guys. So I'm going to talk as if we're making a 1 gallon batch. Okay, there's 2 cups to a pint. There's 2 pints to a quart. There's 4 quarts in a gallon. It means that there's 16 cups in a gallon. So we're going to go with 8 cups. 8 cups goes into your pan. You're going to heat that up. It doesn't have to boil. You're making tea out of it, basically. Get it nice and hot to where it's starting to steam. Cut that heat off and throw in some tea bags. I throw in 8 tea bags if it was me. You could probably get away with less. 1 cup of sugar for every 4 cups of water that I'm heating up. Let me take a step back. We got 8 cups of water. It comes almost to a boil. We kill the heat. We throw in our 8 tea bags. We let those steep for 5-10 minutes. We're going to strain those tea bags out. After we strain the tea bags out, we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. 1 cup of sugar for each 4 cups of hot water. Okay, 4 to 1. We stir that up till it all dissolves. So now we've got a hot tea base, 8 cups, with 2 cups of sugar dissolved into it. Now we're going to take another 8 cups of cold water, and we're going to dump that on top. And we're going to stir that up. 1 gallon of product, and we're going to put that in our jar. And you're going to take one of these guys. Now the key here is you want the mother. If you look down the bottom, you can see that it has floaties. I don't know if you can see that or not. This one right here, I've actually used this specific one to make one of the, I don't remember which one it was. And I can't remember what the other one I used. It could have been this one, it could have been a different one, I don't know. I've made several. And they all work. As long as they have these floaties down on the bottom. That's what you want. Bottom third, bottom half. But just dump that right in on top. And then you want it to be able to breathe. It's got to be able to breathe. Every man should have pantyhose. They're kind of like tampons. I mean, if you know, you know. Tampons are pretty useful. You want those in your med kit for sure. And you probably want, some pantyhose in your kit as well. Real small form factor. Anyway, double them up just like that. Put them right over the top. Take some scissors or your blade, and then a rubber band. And of course, you want the lid off when you do this. And then just take that and you put that up at room temperature, about 70 degrees, and just don't touch it. Go check on it every, 4 or 5 days. And within 2 weeks, you'll be good to go. And you'll know you're good to go when you see them. Let me pull one of these bad boys out for you. Now on my last take, the video wasn't recording. I already ate some SCOBY, but I'll eat some more for this take. But anyway, so that's a healthy SCOBY right there. That's pretty good shit, actually. Let me go ahead and pull this out for you guys. So this is a SCOBY. And I used these exact teas and that sugar. And that's how I made this bad boy. And it makes some great kombucha. I mean, it's still good. And the thing is kombucha is really good for your gut health. There's a lot of healing properties that come along with it. So don't be afraid of it. Anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. It's that simple. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe, And if you guys got any other tips, I mean, share them. Leave them in the comments. Come here, girl. I'll make another video, and I'll show you guys how to bottle it up and all of that. But that's not for today. All right. See you guys next time.